everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it is your Chief Holistic Honey, and I am here to encourage you to live, eat, and be your best self in mind, body, and spirit. And today I am here with a what I eat in a day video. I took a poll on my community tab, so make sure that y'all are, keeping up with the community, because we are a growing community on this channel. We are here to be our best holistic selves. We might stumble, we might fall, but we're on that path to holistic living, and that's all that matters. But let me pull up my community tab and make sure y'all are subscribed and keep up with the tabs. So I said, what type of new recipe videos would y'all like to see from me? Vegetarian friendly was in first place, and there's a two-way tie between juicing recipes and weight loss friendly recipes. So today is a weight loss inspired what I eat in a day video. Best green smoothie ever. It has my favorite fruits and vegetables in it, and it's so delicious. So we're gonna get into that. We're gonna get into that. I made a nice little salad, nice little chicken salad. So the last thing for dinner, I have my chicken tortilla soup. If y'all did not watch that video, make that soup. We had it for 3 days straight, and we still was wanting more. Like, we were like, oh, it's done? Okay, we're gonna have to re-up. We're gonna have to re-up on it. And chili and soup gets better as the day progresses. So, oof, that Wednesday night chili, that thing was good. So we're gonna get into it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more what I eat in a day videos, please let me know below. I am listening. My ears are open for the content that y'all want to see, so we can be holistic together and we can raise our vibrations. We can be our best self. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm about to make a smoothie, and this is a smoothie that one of my good friends made for my nephew, and I literally have been thinking about that since, and it's been a week, well over a week, almost 2 weeks. And so we're about to make it today because I want it. So this is, I got this from Trader Joe's. It has pineapple, banana, strawberries, and mango. And if it's not enough bananas in here, I'm going to add a little bit of other bananas. And this is a thumb of ginger. I'm gonna put over here some peaches. I'm gonna use the rest of this pineapple juice. The secret ingredient is applesauce. Now I don't know if she used sweetened or unsweetened or not, so we're just gonna have to see. But I feel like, everything is sweetened, so I should be fine. And then we have apple juice and spinach. So this is a green smoothie, and then if I need it, I have half of this banana, which I probably won't even use the full half if I end up adding it. So first things first, I am going to blend up the spinach first, because I hate the way that spinach pieces be floating around if you don't blend it all the way. So let's do that first. Y'all, she is thick, but she is so good. Like, it's the fact that I risked cutting my tongue licking the cap. Like, I was like, let me taste it. Because I was gonna see if I need to add any banana. This thing is perfect, y'all. When I tell you that this is perfect. Shout out to Caitlin, because this is about to be a staple in my household. So I had some leftover chicken breasts that I had thawed out, added some red onions, some avocado, squeezed some lime juice, heated up the chicken breast. I cut it up. It's green goddess dressing from Trader Joe's, and that was my lunch. It's very simple, very easy, fulfilling, delicious. You're getting your lean protein, you're getting your veggies. What more do you need? And last but not least, we have the chicken tortilla soup. My chicken tortilla soup is leftovers. If you have not watched my previous video with the recipe, I don't know what was holding you up. Go ahead and get this chicken tortilla soup in your life. I promise you, you will not regret it. So right now I am chopping up some red onions. I am cutting up some avocado to use. And then I also am going to do my lime a little bit later. It's a little drizzle on top. And I'm pouring out my chicken tortilla soup. It's nice and warmed up. Adding in my toppings. Have my red onions. Have my half avocado. And these are humongous avocados, so I only did half of a half. And then squeeze my lime like I promised. And y'all, the hot and sweet jalapenos from Trader Joe's is good on almost everything. And I have my blue tortilla chips to go with it. And look at that. It tasted amazing. I mean, honestly, Panera don't got nothing on me. I'ma just say it. So I know all that stuff looked good. I know it did. If you liked what you saw, give this video a like so I know that you like the content that I'm putting out. It will help me out a lot and I would greatly appreciate it. So I am coming out with a juicing video, another juicing video very soon, within the next week or two. I'm also working on vegetarian meals so I can do a vegetarian what I eat in a day. So that's the upcoming content for the next couple of weeks. But make sure that y'all pay attention to the community tab so y'all can see what I'm asking y'all, because this is about y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to inspire y'all. I want to encourage y'all to, even if it's just replacing one fast food meal with a home cooked meal, and you know the portion size, you know what you're putting in, you know the amount of salt that you're putting in. That's all I'm asking for. You know, slow progressing changes, it lasts longer than just like the quick fixes. Because honestly, I love juicing and I juice pretty frequently, but it's not for me to like a quick fix weight loss. It's just I want to fast for whatever reason. I want to fast. I want to get back to center. I'm praying about something. You know, I'm doing it for more spiritual than weight loss. But me cooking at home and me really paying attention to what I'm eating and me putting fruits and vegetables and whole foods over anything else, I've lost 10 pounds since the beginning of this year. I'm almost at my halfway goal. And I believe by the end of this month, I will be well over my halfway goal. So if y'all want more weight loss recipe videos, if y'all want to know how I lost 10 pounds in 2 months, you know, 2 months seems like a long time, but slow and steady wins the race. I know how to drop 5 pounds in like a week. I do. Juicing, starving yourself. But I'm trying to personally change my relationship with food. It's a generational curse and I'm trying to break. I'm trying to have a better relationship with food. Quitting, binging, and overeating. Those are the things that I'm working through. And it's more of a mental thing than anything else. So have grace over yourself. Be kind to yourself. Don't starve yourself. Eat good foods. Fill yourself up with good foods. Natural foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. It's going to come off. It's going to come off. I promise you it's going to come off. If you want to know more about how I lost 10 pounds this year so far, let me know and I will be happy to make a video. But please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We are a growing community and I want to, I want us to keep on going. Invite your friends. If you know people are trying to make a lifestyle change, not just only a quick fix, but a full lifestyle change, invite them to the channel. If one of your friends is looking for a recipe inspo, invite them to this channel. If one of your friends love juicing, invite them to the channel. I got all that, all the holistic wellness tips. I got that for y'all, boo. So with that being said, I pray that y'all are well in mind, body, and spirit, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.